Are you tired of expensive gym memberships and complicated workout plans? What if I told you that you can build strong, natural muscles right in the comfort of your home? Yes, it's true. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it with simple tips and easy-to-follow exercises. So, grab a water bottle, and let's dive in. Before we jump into the how, let's talk about the why. Building muscle isn't just about looking good, it's essential for your overall health. Strong muscles improve your posture, enhance your metabolism, protect your joints, and even help prevent injuries. Plus, staying active and strong can boost your energy levels and mental health. Now, the good news is, you don't need a fancy gym to get started. All you need is your body, the right foods, and a little consistency. Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about what you eat. Nutrition is 70% of the muscle building process. Here are some natural foods that can help you pack on muscle the healthy way. 1. Protein power. Foods like eggs, chicken, lentils, beans, and tofu are fantastic sources of protein, which is the building block of muscles. Aim for at least 1 gram of protein per kilogram of your body weight daily. 2. Healthy fats. Don't shy away from fats. Nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil are great for muscle recovery and overall health. 3. Complex carbs. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice provide the energy you need for workouts. 4. Hydration. Muscles are about 70% water. Drink plenty of it to keep your muscles hydrated and functioning well. Remember, consistency in your diet is key. Treat food as fuel for your fitness journey. Now, let's get moving. These simple yet powerful exercises will help you build muscle at home without any equipment. 1. Push-ups. Great for your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start with 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps and increase as you get stronger. 2. Bodyweight squats, a must for your legs and glutes. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. 3. Planks. Strengthen your core with planks. Start with 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increase. 4. Lunges. Excellent for your lower body. Perform 10-12 reps on each leg for 3 sets. 5. Chair dips. Use a sturdy chair to work on your triceps. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps. As you progress, you can add household items like water bottles or backpacks filled with books for added resistance. Always focus on proper form to avoid injuries. Building muscle isn't just about working hard. It's also about working smart. Rest and recovery are crucial. Your muscles need time to repair and grow stronger. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night, and include at least 1 rest day in your weekly routine. Stretching after workouts can also help reduce soreness and improve flexibility. Remember, start small, stay dedicated, and you'll see amazing results over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wellness with Arsh for more tips like these.